Good morning. What are we doing? Hi, Milo. Hey, buddy. Hold on. All right. I'm just gonna pick up where I left off last night. Writing tests here. Um, just pick up on this same one. Actually, I'm gonna swap these around a little bit easier for me to look at. Switch back down to the little me. Okay. So if you're just joining, you missed out last night. Writing this command line utility. Oh boy. Let's see. Let's see if I'm in the right. Essentially just lets us run a CLI here, so we can actually get lots of information. I've got a whole bunch of example commands, and right now it's just feeding up these commands. I haven't written any of the help documentation for it yet, which when you pass -h flag, it would actually put out the help information and in a pretty format. Right now I'm just trying to fill in the tests here for the main file for getting things set up. And I think I had let me see here. Where was it? I need alcove. Oops. There we go. Can actually take a look at the coverage that we've got in here. That's never going to get covered, those two, because we're always going to pass them in. Should write a test for the subcommand directory if we want to work with a different directory of subcommands. So why don't I just write that piece up? Make things a little bit smaller, make it easier for me. Also, I have this ridiculous glare from the window behind me on the screen, so it's a little hard to look at. Where were we? Test the subcommand directory, and that comes out of config, which is interesting. So let's do describe. Let's see, is root required? So the root directory is the process command working directory by default, which is okay. I think that's going to be one of those things that you need to really suggest that people set in future. I'm going to switch these actually. Directory, okay. These are all going to be async tests. So let's see. I'm gonna have to always put in a mock require here. So require mock. So these are the required items here for a command. We're going over that last night. Just drop in empty functions and make sure that glob mock returns something. Actually, let's put okay, and now a way we need to make sure that this resolves to yeah, actually let's make this make sure that that actually gets invoked. So let's say expect glob mock where's glob? So this should be vector commands. Let's see. Let's see if that works. Not quite. What did we fail on? What? Oh, I have a typo. These should be. That's a little bit better. Handler spy was called with more stuff. Interesting. Oh, it wasn't called at all. Why wasn't it called? Oh, I know why. We need to pass in some argv here. So let's just say test command. Ah, that's right. Because we are changing from the way that yargs did things up to this. Okay, cool. So we've got a test there. What's next? Let's see. We should make sure that this alias is run correctly. We may want to change alias to be an array of items in the future too. But for now, let's just go with this. So let's do the same thing. Replace command. Okay. So in this case, we want to add an alias here. We'll call it tacos. And actually, let's do subcommands. Food. And let's see, let's do a couple of these here. So food. Let's see. Okay, cool. That failed. Oh, globlock, what? Oh, let's get rid of the subcommands item here. So we're not actually testing that. So globmock. Oh, you know what? I did this wrong. Wait, globmock return value. That is what I want. What's going on here? Oh, wrong line. Test command. Oh, I missed my food. There, that was the problem. And now what? Oh, handler spy was not called. Why was it not called? Where do we have a console log here? Oh. Alias. Oh. Oh, that's bad. It looks like we have an oops in here. Let me fix that. Cool. There we go. Okay. This is why we write tests, everybody. This is why we write tests. What if I use that as an underscore? Make sure that that's accounted for as well. Yeah. Okay. Should have a negative test with no alias. Do we need one? I don't know that I actually need one directly. We will when we write help documentation, though. Can I put coverage while I'm doing a watch? Yes, I can. Okay, so we're gonna skip any of these where we're logging out because I'm gonna change those later to be outputting help docs. Again here, we haven't applied any middleware yet either. So let's see. Oh, we'll need to account for positionals as well. So do that and then test. Okay, let's see. Bootstrap. And let's see. What do I need on these again? Oh boy, these types are fun. Maybe I'll go over these at some point with somebody. Positionals. Positional. Oh, just description. Possible choices doesn't include a type on it. I think that's right. Description is required. Okay, and then I need a handler on there. Oh boy. Okay. Doesn't matter what that is. Okay, and then I'm gonna want to say expect what do we have? Lettuce, peppers, topping 3, onions. Oh, this should be results. Let's just skip these two for now. Failure, topping 3. Did I fail on this again? Wow, how do I keep doing that? Oh. That's why. Come back here. Okay. Number of calls, none. Oh, you know what? I need to food. Is that? Oh, what did I mess up here? Let's make sure this gets set. So we got our file correctly. Seems that we're not finding the right command here. Okay, so we didn't get a resolve command. Let's dig into that. So food should match on this require. So we've got a command food. So we take the positional input, remove each one at a time until we find a match here. Oh, we did not. What? Why did this not go any further? Position. Whoa, what? Oh, why is that an array of a single string? That's wrong. That's a problem. Input command, where are you? Oh, what? That should be a string. Did I type this up wrong? That's why. Did I do that somewhere else too? I think I may have. There, I did it there wrong. And here. There we go. Oh. Oh, and I forgot to fix this one. Wish I would type correctly. Okay. Food tacos, hard tacos with okay, let's see. Expected that. It was not called. Let's find out food. Huh. You know what? This actually seems like it's broken. Or not broken, but not working correctly at all. Where's our positional mapping? Okay, so we go through each one of the positional keys that we have. Say I 0. Why does this still pass when I add tacos here? Okay, that does fail. So let's change this to tacos. And this can be tacos. Let's make sure we're matching the command correctly here. Okay, match the command correctly. So we get down here. Looks like we're getting before that. Where is this console log happening? At 83. I thought I... see. Get down to tacos, but then it doesn't match. Oh, look at that. Oops. Did not intend to do that. That's funny. Gotta fix something else here. Path relative command. Where do we find the command name? Relative to the resolved subcommand directory. That just means, oh, that's because the leading slash here, I think. No, what's going on? So returning the full path is correct if I'm using the root as that. So the resolved. Oh, I see why. Did I set that wrong? Feels like that's not being picked up. Let me fix this. Let's see. Why is the root directory that? Did I pass these in incorrectly? Oh. So I forgot it here. That's why. Okay. Now we need to make sure it throws if you provide all this wrong. So let me do this. Let's see. So let's do just switch that order. Rejects to equal new error. Positional toppings. Cool. Okay. Got that. Everything's handled there. All right. What does our validate function actually do? Wow. We'll write a separate test for that. Let's see. We'll do that later because I want that to, actually, you know what? So I'm going to need an exit here too. Yeah. Okay, let's see. You know, I'm actually going to leave that. I'm going to leave that for later, actually, because I have other things that I want to do here with how we will handle exits and that kind of thing. So we'll leave that. Let's see. So we're just missing the console logs, a couple defaults. We haven't done anything on middleware yet. Let's try to handle this. It's option parsing. We'll want to handle that too. Do I even do that? I do parse options. Cool. Oh, so this is the parse option function is how we reformat everything for the yargs parser, which is also kind of annoying. I'm not going to rewrite yargs parser. I'm telling myself that I won't rewrite yargs parser. Don't let me do it. Let's see. Wrong one. Don't look at my mail. Oops. Where's my other window here? Nope. This one. Trying to pull up. What am I looking for? Don't know what I'm looking for. I just want to look at it again and see if that's a thing that could be done differently. No, it's just the way it is. It's kind of annoying. So you have to map all of your aliases to an object. You can tell it what they are, and then you map your things that can be arrays. You map your things that can be booleans. You map your things that need to be coerced to something. Defaults, all that kind of stuff has to like be mapped. Otherwise, the args parser won't quite figure it out. So that this is what's building up that that initial object that we send to the handler before we fix it and fix the positionals on it. And so, yeah, I don't think that's going to be a doable thing. Hey, buddy. Here, Milo. Oh. Everybody say hi to Milo. What's up, bud? How you doing? How you doing? Milo and I are missing our buddy Jake now. Aren't we, bud? Oh, you're just settling in? No, okay. Good. He normally doesn't settle in. Okay. Hey, stop eating my keyboard, buddy. Let me see if I can get him focused. Are you gonna drool on my stuff? Rub face on keyboard. Rubbing the face on the keyboard. No, no. He's trying to delete stuff. Here, you can delete things in the code editor. There we go. He's typing. What are you doing, buddy? You just drooled. There's drool right here. You can't really see it. Lick up your drool. That's gross. Get it off my wrist rest. Please? Please? Or just stop being a terror and go away? No, he's going to be right there. You can see his butt. You going to drink my tea? Huh? Come on, buddy. Should we just turn this into cat cam? You don't like coding? You just want it to be cat cam instead? Here, we can just turn it into full cam Milo time. Full cam Milo time. Come here, bud. Milo, come here. Oh. Quit hitting things. Arr. Milo, do you want to say anything into the microphone? No. Where's your toy, buddy? Where'd you leave your toy? You didn't bring it in here. Ooh, no, it's in the corner. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, there's a couple toys in here. Oh, shoot. Stay up here, bud. Oh, nope. He wants to go down. Oh my gosh. Can you see him in the corner? Buddy, why don't you keep playing with it? Why don't you keep playing with it? Come here. That's Milo's favorite toy. It costs about 50 cents. And it's just a bunch of Mylar in a pom-pom. That's it. It's his favorite thing in the world. And he'll sit there and he'll like drop it in my shoe instead of playing with it. Or when he wants me to throw it for him, he drops it into a shoe. Okay, where were we? Let's undo those things that Milo did. What did you do here? Okay, that looks right. You know what? I'm going to... let's just say add. Okay. Oh, there's drool everywhere, dude. I'm gonna go grab a snack. I'll see you all in just a minute. Actually, I need more tea too. Hold on, everyone. So not only is there drool still on my keyboard and my wrist rest, there's drool all over the floor over there too. You drool too much. Sorry, I'm eating. You can listen to me chew. Okay. Back on all the things. So we added that. Let me add. Now it's time to add tests for the options. Oh, you know what? Did I ever? Oops. Before I do that, let me fix those. 23 errors. Let me find my flow cheat sheet here. It's a little outdated, but that's okay. Acquire. Let's see. So the problem is just mock function does not satisfy that. I wonder if I can just remove this. That'll work. Okay. Oh. There's this line 53. And line 19. I should probably set up my editor to run flow. Do that soon. Oh. Shoot. Let's see. You're gonna do this. Let's do something really bad. See if that works. Oh, fudge. Huh? You can't do that. What I can do, I think. Nope. What are my flow? I only have flow. Do not have a good way to do that. Sorry. You know, I think I am going to pull that out then. I don't want to deal with that. Oh, we're just gonna leave it. It's fine for now. Okay. Back to this. Okay, neither of these are async, right? No. Okay, cool. Have to make sure I don't step on Milo. Usually he's sitting right under my feet. Remember, I'm standing here. Let's see, what are we doing? Oh, there, he's back. Hey, buddy. What's up? Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. You having a good day, bud? Here, go in your tower. Let's see. Well, I guess let's just start going through this. Okay, parser options. I guess we'll just go through these each one at a time. So we got alias. Boolean. So I'm just going to go through each one of these one at a time then, and add a test for each one, I guess. And ensure that the parser options come out the way that we expect them to. Oh, you know what? Alias can be an array already. I'm going to need to go back and test for that. In the other file, but we'll do that later. Let's do this, and let me just make each one of these fail. Coverage again. Okay, so each one of these I'm going to do, I'll accept the last one rather. Expect parse options to be that. Actually, it's going to be alias. Array. Oh, sorry, I'm thinking about different aliases there. I was thinking about positional aliases versus option flag option aliases. Boolean help is included by default. Count default is dir object. Normalize number string. So I could extract that out. Yeah, let's do that. I would have expected that to pass. Let's see what. You do what now? Wait. Pulling up some new music. Anybody have suggestions what to listen to? Is anybody on chat? Anybody? Nobody? No one says anything. It's just going to be something terrible. Oh, you know what's coming up? In just a couple months, it's going to be Christmas season, and I can listen to the Bad Religion and Twisted Sister Christmas albums. I know y'all are excited for that. As excited as I am. Okay, so what is the deal here? What? Expert default parse options. What? What? What the heck did I do here? Is this in the right spot? Yes. What's unknown? Received unknown arguments. Okay. Okay, so what? We get that test pass. Parse options is supposed to take command options, which can be an empty object, right? Zero. Oh, you know what? This is supposed to be 2 equal across all these. Silly me. That's why. Okay, cool. Now one at a time, each one of these. Okay, so alias, if I have, let's change this actually to and this is let's see, we have foo alias f to equal alias or if we have foo alias f or maybe b, because who knows why. And then we actually just set that to FB. All kinds of failure. What? Parser options, type, push. Oh, interesting, alias. Oh, this should be what? Oh, because I forgot types on here. Type is a required thing on each one of these. There we go. Okay, array. What can array have? I guess this is just type array. Boolean. You know, I should probably do multiple of these just to make sure. Oh, Boolean also has help. Okay, so count. I think we can do each one of these like this. That should handle each one of those except for default. What is default? Default is... These are not types. Type number. Default foo. Okay. We have not done, oops, if string and normalize. Let's see, type, oh, that's why, string and, you know, I kind of want to change that to just be path in our API because the yargs parser is weird. And I don't know of a case where you wouldn't want to normalize a path. I'll keep it for now. Consider changing that later. Unless you type string and then not normalize. Then we've got normalize push foo string foo bar. And you know what I should probably do? If type not type in parser options. New error. For key. Let's change that option. Our key has invalid type. Names option. Okay, cool. That's part of validation. Okay. Now we're on to validating. Boy. Validate. Okay, so returns no errors. Am I even doing this right? Yeah. Funny. So that's wrong altogether. We'll change that later. Because I want to be able to output all of the errors. So that's another one of the things that I don't like about yargs is it when it encounters the first possible error, it will throw that. Instead of just one error, I would like to give all of them. Gives a lot more context, gives a lot more, lot easier, so you don't have to continue running the command until you get it right. You can actually see all the issues that you need to fix at once. So that's why I've written it this way, where it returns an object of all of the possible errors in arrays. Returns no errors. Let's see, so returns errors for positionals. Returns errors for options. Returns errors for unknown options. Milo, you want to play some more? Mew Mew? Mew Mew? Yeah, is it Mew Mew time? Oh, he's mad at me because I stopped looking at him and playing. Sorry, bud. Oh, there he is. Behind the mic. Bye-bye. Oh, cats. Hard life is hard. Okay, so positionals. So argv positionals. Okay, so expect validate. What's up, bud? Oh, kitty cat, come here.
Good boy. Good job, buddy. Yeah, you killed it. Little murder beast.
Milo is a murder beast. Oh man. Okay. Buddy, can you do independent playtime? Can you do independent playing? No, he's gonna sit by my feet now. Okay, so expect validate. So argv is, what is this again? Oh, right. Okay, so this is but I want this to be foo. Oh, let's do this. Foo. Here's my positional checks. Oh, I don't have any validation for positionals. Let's hold off on that one. We're gonna need to do that. Argument key. Yeah, okay. Well, we're gonna have to do that. Skip that for now. Let's do unknown options first. So expect, validate. Let's see, where do the unknowns go? There we are. Received unknown argument. Well, let's just leave this empty for now. Let's do 2 in here. I don't know how that happened. Weird. Okay, let's do this one. Errors for options. So, let's see. String not in choices. Expect, validate. So here's my option. So foo can be type string and has choices. Bar quirks. No positionals, and foo is tacos equal value tacos for who fail to match one of this should be bar quirks. Can I use in operator for required in tacos? Choices in that should be of. Oh, choices. Oh, that should be right. Option. Huh? Inner operator for required? String 9 choices. String. What does it think option is required? Oh, what? Required 127? Oh, get required options. Required in options, okay. Oh, what? Why is? This is. Huh? This should be argv. This is wrong. Hold up. My brain is exploding. This is... Oh, I did this backwards. That's why. This is that. Validate. Okay, so this is the value that goes in. Okay, that's better. I did not receive what I expected here. If choices. There we go. That was backwards. This is why we write tests. Milo, I'm going to step on your tail. Look out. Look out, buddy. I need a second camera, I think, that just points at Milo all the time while I'm doing this, and you all might be more entertained. Okay, so that's that. Test required, option not provided, expect, validate. Foo. Value found. There should be no value provided. Required argument. Okay. I need to see how bad my flow coverage is right now. Probably really bad because these are all going to require... Foo is missing an RV. Oh, that's going to be okay. Yeah, the problem is here. Oh boy. We're gonna need to provide a description on every one of these. Let me fix these quick. Let me just do this. Oh, let's do this. Function. Let's do this. See if that helps. Okay, yeah, that will do it for us. Oh man, did I just make it worse? Let me do this. This should be returning a command option. Wrong one. Okay, a little bit better. Can I call validate without just go to an argv because foo is missing an argv. That's intentional. Let me look up the convention for ignores. So I'm going to get specific ignores here for tests. Configuration. Options, that's what I want. Suppress comment, that's what I want. Oh, flow expected error, cool. Oh, it was removed, look at that. That's actually gonna be annoying for something else that I have. Where is this one? So one at a time, 125. Oh, just a little bit to argv because property foo is missing. Oh wait, which? Oh, I'm down here. Nice. So ideally, if you're using flow, these errors will actually be caught ahead before you can even get to validation. So in your code, they'll be set for you. Interesting. This property underscore. Cool. I'm going to take a break again for a second. I'll be back in just a couple minutes and continue doing this. All right, we're back. Where did I leave off? Writing tests? Writing tests. Okay, let's write some tests. Just make sure everything's all good over here. Oh my gosh, do you guys like goats? Let me get this link over here. Copy link. I'm gonna show you some goats. 100% goats. Oh my god. Ah! Oh, goats are the best. What are the good ones for there? I've probably seen them all. That one's no good without sound. Here. Whee! Sure, and when I jump around like that, people don't think it's cute. They just think I'm weird. Anyway, back to our things. Oh, we had an issue here. What's going on? 3 errors. Line 79. Terms options. Oh, these need to be opt. Ooh, it's not exported. Let's just export it. Oh man. Oh, type is. Oh shoot. I need to do that a different way. Shoot. Let's do this. See if that works. Complain here. Oh, now I just have to do that. And Yarn will figure that out. Or Flow will figure that out. Maybe not. Oh, fudge. Should close that. Oh, because type is not a thing. So what I actually need is command options. Oh boy. Let's change this to ops. You know what? Let's just do this the correct way. Oh boy, this is going to be annoying. Description is the only thing that's required explicitly outside of the type that I'm providing. So as long as I add the description on each one of these, should be fine. I was just trying to take a shortcut to just make it look a little nicer when reading and writing the tests. Close. One error. Where are we? Line 95. Oh, that's expected. Error. Cool. Okay. Better. Why don't I set up this as a project? Oh, it is a project. Oh no, it is not a project. So let me set it up as a project. Development projects command app. Okay, and then project, edit project. I need to find another project here. 1 second, please. What are you doing, Milo? Being a terror. Projects. Let's see. Let's see. These will need to change to. No modules. Let's get rid of that. Okay, and then let's ignore. Let's see. Folder exclude patterns. Okay, now it should run prettier and flow on stuff, assuming that I have it set up. It's not set up yet, but we'll do that later. Okay, where is the test that I have skipped yet? Actually, let's go back to coverage. How are we doing? This path not taken. Oh, I should probably do. The opposite of these. This will not have an error. Underscore bar. Okay, that should get rid of that. Oh, and more. And then choices. Let's change this to just options. I guess we're still failing these, that's fine. Okay, let's see, we've got all of that handled right now. So, thing that I was noting that we were missing before, did not, actually let's add or commit this for now. Okay, and now Also need to handle the Milo's under me again with his little toy. Still wants to play, as always. Let's see. So the thing I didn't account for here, we should have required positionals. So it is possible to have required positionals here. And we'll want to validate that as well. I don't have any handling for it right now. You can see if argument key is that, then we just do nothing. So let's actually do that and change this test up a little bit. Where are you? Let's do this. Describe positionals. Required positional not provided. And we'll also do the anti-test required positional provided. So here, expect, validate. Foo, required true description. What else? Position. Is that it? Yes, that looks like all we have on positionals. Okay. Now, and then. Should be new. Let's do it this way. Okay, and then oh, is this an array I'm getting back? Let's change that to an object. Okay, written my tests, my music stopped, so I'm gonna find something new. Now, okay, missing closing quote. Now for our key and under, where does our key? Okay, we need to say you know what, I could actually command options or command positionals. What's happening? I just heard a weird noise. Don't know where that weird noise just came from. I heard a weird noise. I don't know why. It sounded like I have some sort of notification, but I don't see anything. Okay. Let's see. See. Nothing there. No value provided for required positional. Whoa. 2 tests failed. Required key. Oh, required. Cannot read property push. Here we go. Underscore should be. Did bad. You know what? I haven't set up pretty or anything on this yet. It's going to be annoying. Either property required is missing in positional. What are we at? Line 118. Position. Huh. That actually should be passing correctly. Those should be okay. That's not good. Oh, this is. So my problem here is that these should be okay. Validate p command positionals. Oh, you know why? Because this isn't matching. That's expected. This one should be okay though. So let me do this. This one should be working correctly. So foo is required. Happens if I put positional first. Should not make a difference here. Okay. Either property required is missing positional but exists in requirement. First argument. Do I have all this backwards again? RV. It's RV P0. PO. Object map to extract positionals. That should be working. Well, come back to that one. Let's see. What do I do about unknown positionals? Do those just get tacked on? I think those get tacked on as... What do they do? Good question. Well, okay, so next I need to actually do something with those errors. So let's make that happen. Because right now, calling validate, and it's actually expecting it to throw, and that is incorrect. Let's just do this. Maybe I should return invalidate. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is in options in here, I'm gonna return a value for unknown is valid Boolean. Assume it's true, and then set anytime we have an error, okay. Options needs to be fixed here. Try this. Okay, now let's see. Hey, where's my freaking cursor? If not is valid. Okay, so barring a good logger for the moment, we're going to do that. Let's not do this. So then we can do, let me find our, what do we have for things? Do we have any required objects, positions? No, I don't remember. Oh, yeah, these. So we can run the option types command. Should. Yep, now we got a whole list of errors here. Cool, cool, cool. So no value provided for, blah, blah, blah. Awesome. That is. What were my? What was one that should just run? Boop. Cool. And no errors printed there. All right, that's pretty good. Got a lot done in just a couple hours here. I think it's time to be done for a while, actually. I might stream later. We'll see. I might just work on this on my own for a bit, although it really doesn't bother me to kind of throw it up in this window here and let anybody tune in and watch. Can be pretty boring, but maybe you'll learn something. If you're jumping in on the chat, say hi. It helps to know that somebody's there. Ask questions, make suggestions. It's always fun. All right. I'm gonna go and probably like play with Milo or something. He seems like he wants to hang out more. Funny little cat. All right. Until